Monday, May 12th. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look at our trades for today. Now we're going into expiration week, and as I mentioned, we had a little insurance policy on the QQQs just in case we get a big drop in the markets over the weekend. It cost us $65, but that's cheap insurance because we're already up over $140 for today. We have an open profit of $935. And let's take a quick look at our analysis tab. That $65 insurance was well worth it because we made up more than that just in the profit today as we opened, and it really didn't cost us anything at all, and the insurance was very, very good for us. So here we are today. Like I said, we're up $135. We are moving back towards the center very nicely on our position. We're going to keep a close eye on this position. Of course, we are in expiration week. I normally like to get out earlier. However, we're going to try to squeeze every little bit of profit out of this position, out of our positions as possible. We have the positions on the diamonds, the EEM, the IWM, and the SPY. But we want to take a quick look at the VIX. And let's take a look at where we are. We have we went up here a little bit. If you can take a look down here in the corner, we're going to take. We've been dropping significantly. I thought for sure that I didn't know for sure, but I thought possibly we could jump up here and retest this level up here around 21.50.22. And that didn't happen this morning. So that's why we closed out our insurance. We bought the QQQs as insurance. And we closed those out early this morning when we saw that in fact the market was not going to drop like a rock and retest those VIX levels. So we're back. We're falling back down again. I think we're going to retest these 18 levels, so we should be up for the day. We'll see exactly and keep monitoring our position. But at this time, we don't really have to do anything. As long as we stay to the upside, we've got plenty of room to move to the upside here. We're going to continue to make a profit on this position today. We should be close to $1,000 in open profit. Now remember, we're only trading 1 or 2 contracts here, so this is a pretty good profit. And all we had to do is just kind of be patient, wait. And now this white line here, which is our current profit and loss position, is joining the expiration green line here, which is only 5 days away now. Let's take a look at our monitor tab here, or our trade tab. We can see there's only 4 trading days left in this position. Ideally, we'd like to be in the center, and all of our positions would expire absolutely worthless, and that will give us the maximum profit. So we just have to sit back, relax, going to monitor. Now, normally during a trade, when you're putting on trades 30, 40 days ahead of time, you don't really have to be that concerned with the day-to-day kind of market fluctuations, but as we get closer to expiration, that's where you really want to pay attention to your position. So that's what we're going to do if you want to extract as much profit as possible. However, I do not recommend holding positions into expiration week. Price is the biggest risk during expiration week. Let's just take a quick look at our monitor tab for a second and take a look at our numbers. Our delta is a very nice little positive 94. Our gamma is a negative 190. And all gamma really means is that it's the amount that the delta is going to change based on the position, overall position. Theta has increased to a nice $129 a day. So going into expiration week, we should expect to collect another $128 every single day that we're in expiration. And our Vega is at 121, and it's a positive number, meaning that if the Vega goes up, we will increase our profits by $121. However, given that delta is also a positive number, that they kind of neutralize each other there. So what we want to do, and our current profit open is 925, and we want to just take a look at our Analyze tab here for a second. As long as we can continue to move up, the Dow Jones is right now is up about 30 points. If we continue to move up, we'll be doing very, very nicely here. We're going to keep an eye on the market very closely. We want to be able to stay in this center position, and I think we're going to be in really good shape here to extract some more profit. Now, let's take a quick look at, let's see, we are here, and we've got $934 of profit in the position. And if we go to expiration, we'll have about $1,800 if we stay stable in this as far as price goes. So we've got another $900 in profit that we could extract from this position, and we're going to try to hang in there as long as we possibly can. I mean, I don't want to get too greedy, but we're at 50% profit here. We're also up about 30% on our margin, because our margin is $3,600. We've got a $900 profit on $3,600 in margin. That's a 30% return on margin. So we're doing really, really well. Price doesn't seem to be too much of a risk right now, so we're going to hang in there. If things start to get a little bit more volatile, we'll probably close out this position. 30% return on margin is pretty awesome. We've only been in the position for about 4 weeks now, so that's a great monthly return. All right, tradeologists, hey, trade with confidence.